When I was 4 years old, I had to get eye surgery. It was nothing serious, I think. I'm not sure. I was four, cut me some slack. But my mom wanted me to get a present for going through it, and we got Destiny. We got Destiny from a farm. I still clearly remember playing with her in a field. She chased me, she looked up at me, and I just instantly loved her to death and wanted to take her home. And we did. Her name was Destiny before we got her, because the people who sold her believed she was destined to have a good home, a good family. Her name is literally a fucking pun. And fuck, I really hope we fulfilled that. I really hope we gave her a good home. Destiny was very attached to me every night. She was by my side. She always slept in my bed until she couldn't jump up anymore. She was my baby. She'll always be my baby. I love her. I always will. She helped me through everything. I had her for 12 years. 12 years. She is literally my first memory. But on January 18th, 2018, she died tragically. It wasn't a peaceful death either. There is no other Destiny in this world. You could never find a better dog, no matter how hard you look. You could never replace my baby in a million years. You could never replace the memories and the love I had for that dog. She wasn't just a dog, she was family. I am not a religious person, but I really fucking hope that there's some kind of afterlife or something that she's peaceful in. Somewhere where she's happy and not suffering anymore like she did at the end of her life. But I have a feeling she's still with me. You can call me crazy if you want. I just feel this empty, hollow feeling. Like no amount of time is gonna make this pain go away. It'll get easier maybe, but I don't even know. I'll never forget her and I'll never be the same person. And if you think it's just a dog, go fuck yourself. If you have any pets, then just give them love. All they want is attention and your love and food, and they're not asking for the world. Just do it. I wish I gave her more love when she was still alive.